Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can download Civilization 7 on your device. This can be a stream, a Switch, a PS5 or an Xbox, and I'm going to show you how you can access it for free. So you are going to go to your default browser, Google Chrome, then you are going to type in breezycoupons.com. Then you are going to search in Civilization 7. Then you can see here there are only other 110 coupons left. So they may not necessarily be available for everyone. So you are going to click on this show game code. As you can see, this is the game code, but it cannot be accessible to you as you need to complete certain tasks before you get this coupon. So you are going to press on unlock. As you can see here, you'll be needed to complete some certain tasks before you access the code. So you need to follow their instructions. Here, as you can see, you need to download the Alibaba app or this Bible app. You need to complete these tasks here. And then your coupon will be displayed on your device. And that is how you get a coupon. On to the next step is you need to have the stream app downloaded and installed on your device. So we are going to open this stream app here. Under this stream app, you need to go to games and you need to go to activate a product or on stream. Now here, this is where you will put the coupon that you will be provided after completing the certain tasks. And after you key this coupon code, you can easily access the game. And now that is how you access the game for free. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing.